Sheila Bentley? You look like you were walking to the electric chair. This is a friendly proceeding, Ms.
Whatever
Bentley.
you say, Your Honor.
Ms. Bentley, you have 6 unpaid parking tickets. They're on Friendship, Orange, and Empire Streets.
I was not driving that car.
Who was
I own
dri-
the car, but another person was driving it for the past 5 years.
Who's the other person?
A very irresponsible husband,
Your husband?
soon to be ex.
It's soon to be your ex-husband?
Can't be soon enough, yes.
Well, I have to make full disclosure, and that is that I may have a conflict here because I actually performed a wedding between you and your husband. And I recall very vividly that the wedding was at the Metacomet Country Club, and it was a beautiful day, and it was out by the putting green, and everyone was so happy and
Yes.
and celebrating, and you had stars in your eyes looking at him,
Oh,
and
definitely.
he had stars in his eyes looking at you. And I recall saying, as part of the wedding ceremony, that the bond of marriage was a binding covenant,
I know, I have the video.
and that it was a beautiful tribute to your undoubted faith in each other.
Yeah.
That you took each other for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in parking tickets and parking meter violations.
This has been the minorest
And you
of
took
everything.
you took that vow.
I did.
Inspector Quinn, I don't think I asked her if she would pay his parking tickets during the ceremony.
Well, I think that falls under for better or for worse.
So, Ms. Bentley,
Yes. Yes.
you haven't had good luck with the marriages.
No, I haven't. This is the third.
This is the third.
Yes.
Who was your second marriage to?
I forgot.
Inspector Quinn, I'm not sure if you ever drove Mayor Cianci, but her second marriage was to Mayor Cianci.
I was aware of that, Your Honor, but no, I didn't. I never had the pleasure of driving the mayor.
How do you feel about this, Inspector Quinn?
Your Honor, I'm familiar who was operating the vehicle at that time, and they were all around the courthouse, and I'm sure he was probably doing some duties in the courthouse.
I'm going to take your advice because really I performed this wedding and I know both of them. So I'm going to rely upon your advice. You want to place Ms. Bentley on probation? How do you want to do it?
Your Honor, without subjecting her to any more unpleasantries, I think she suffered enough.
Could we put my ex soon to be in jail?
No, we're not going there, Ms. Bentley.
There's a line for that, Ms. Bentley.
Of husbands?
No, to put him in jail, there's a line for that, but
All right, here we have a situation. Ms. Bentley is now getting divorced for the third time.
One died.
She's
No, 2 died.
I'm not going there.
Judge, she's trying to go 3 for 3.
I'm not
I don't know if that's good.
Yes.
I'm not going there. All right, based on the recommendations of Inspector Quinn, with the acquiescence of Inspector Carrigan, I think that the matters will be dismissed. But before I make a final decision, have you resolved the issue? Have you unregistered the car or taken the plates off the car?
No, I had someone take the plates off the car,
All
so
right, all right, so we no longer can drive that vehicle.
there's no more plates.
All right, so you've taken corrective action. So
Thank you.
That helps you very much. Okay, good luck to you. The matters are dismissed.
Thank you.
Artili Holder? Are you Mr. Holder? Mm-hmm. You want to get next to the other microphone, please? And would you identify yourself, please?
I'm P.O. Donna Del Vecchio.
Mr. Holder is charged with parking 25 feet to the corner on Prairie Avenue. Is there anything you want to tell me about this, Mr. Holder?
I don't go to Perry Avenue. I live in East Providence.
Yeah. You drive,
Perry Avenue is the worst part in Providence. It's the ghetto, and I don't go that way. So I don't know where that ticket come from. I haven't had a ticket all this year, so I don't know where that one come from.
do you drive a Chevrolet?
Yes, I do.
Oh, Mr. Holder, it appears to me that you met with the city's lawyer, and you came to a resolution of this matter. Isn't that correct?
The pocket ticket you talking about, sir? Yes.
Yeah, so you agreed to pay $35, is that right?
No, I didn't agree to pay no $35 because I didn't get no ticket on Perry Avenue, sir. So why should I pay for something that I didn't do? You couldn't even find the ticket because all my tickets I saved. I got so many. I save every ticket.
All right,
so
just-
I would have that ticket. I don't have that ticket.
Just so you understand that
Okay.
you were here earlier, and I
Yeah.
requested that everyone that was here for a trial
Right.
meet with the city's lawyer.
Right.
You met with the city's lawyer,
Right.
right? Along with the parking enforcement officer.
Right.
She was there as well, right?
Yeah, she was in the
All right.
room. Yeah.
The city's lawyer sent me a note saying that you agreed to pay $35, and you're telling me that's not accurate.
Well, no, I'm saying that I didn't get no ticket, at Perry Avenue. Why should I have to pay a court cost?
Well, that's not court cost, that's the basic cost of the ticket. The tickets have tripled to $90.
Sir, I don't go to Perry Avenue. I never go on Perry Avenue. That's in South Providence. I live in East Providence.
Just let me go through the numbers with you, and we're not going to spend any time on this, right? You are here today for a trial,
Yes.
right? If this is not what you agreed to, then we're going to have a trial. The parking enforcement officer will get on the stand, and she will testify under oath. And then you can testify under oath, and then I'll make a decision.
But-
It's either going to be that, or you're going to pay $35, and one last thing. You were before me on a previous occasion, and on the way out of the door, you turned around and gave me the finger on the way out.
I never
sug-
did that. I never would do that in a courtroom.
Sir.
I'm 62 years of age. Why would I do something that stupid, Your Honor? I would never do that.
Sir,
I would never do that.
sir. I'm just telling you,
I would never do that, Your Honor.
I'm just telling you that.
Never.
Just
Never.
just understand this, that if you do it again, that you'll be brought back into court, and we'll have a hearing on whether or not you are in contempt. Just so you understand, right? Once you get outside the door, I don't care what you do. Okay, are you going to pay the $35, or are you going to trial?
I would pay it in a payment plan.
All right, it's $35. Thank you for coming in.
You're welcome.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.